If LibreOffice is showing a Java error on Windows, the good news is that this is usually a bit architecture mismatch and it is very easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to get LibreOffice working again by installing the correct version of Java and linking it properly inside the app. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's get into it. First, it's important to understand the problem. LibreOffice and Java have to match in bit version, so if you are using the modern 64-bit version of LibreOffice, a 32-bit Java install will not work properly. That is one of the most common reasons the Java option stays empty, or the program throws a Java-related error. To fix this, start by opening your browser and going directly to the official Oracle Java manual download page. Make sure you are getting Java from the official source so you avoid unsafe downloads or outdated installers from random websites. Once the page loads, look for the Windows Offline 64-bit installer. That is the version you need for a 64-bit LibreOffice installation. Download that installer and then run it on your Windows PC. When the setup wizard opens, follow the prompts and complete the installation. In most cases, you can keep the default settings and just continue through the installer until Java finishes installing. Once that is done, you have the correct 64-bit Java runtime on your system. Now open LibreOffice. From the top menu, click Tools, then Options. In the Options window, go to LibreOffice and then click Advanced. This is where LibreOffice manages Java settings. Here, you want to make sure the box that says Use a Java Runtime Environment is checked. If it is not enabled, LibreOffice will not detect Java at all. After you check it, wait a moment. LibreOffice should scan your computer and populate the list with the newly installed 64-bit Java version. If you see it appear in the list, select the radio button next to that Java version, then click OK to save the change. At this point, LibreOffice should recognize Java correctly and the error should be resolved. If it still does not show up right away, close LibreOffice completely and reopen it. Sometimes the app needs a restart before it refreshes the Java list. You can also double check that you installed the 64-bit version of Java and not the 32-bit one, because the architecture has to match exactly. And that is the fix. Install the 64-bit Java version, enable Java inside LibreOffice, select it from the list, and save your settings. That should clear the Java error on Windows and get LibreOffice running normally again. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.